What's going on, everyone? So we're going to take a little look at Amazon. I actually caught Amazon to the downside today. I was looking at that pre-market level of 30.13 to the downside. Right off the bell, we got that big, nice push up. However, we did get rejected at the 20 period moving average. That 20 SMA was a pretty harsh rejection there, as you can see here on this wick. That once we did get above it, we were not able to hold this level and the selling pressure continued. So with that being said, if we just kind of take a look back now to last Wednesday and Friday, ever since we've lost this 20 period moving average, we have yet to reclaim it. This is never a good thing when a stock is trading below the 20 period moving average. That's telling you that the momentum is to the downside. So for swing traders, even though this is not a swing trading environment, there are some particular stocks that if they are giving you the proper setup and you are going to follow your risk management to a T, then yes, you could potentially get in, because you can see here intraday level on Thursday, we got this close below the 20 period moving average. And then that price was around, let's see, 3150, and we're currently trading at 3000. So this has been a 150 point move to the downside in 2 days. Here's the thing though, you're never going to catch the whole move, and you're always going to be late if you're always looking for new stocks to trade. So what that means is, if you're currently bouncing from Apple to Amazon to PayPal to Facebook, then you're looking at CrowdStrike, and you're looking at the SPY, and you're looking at the Qs. You're going to be looking at everything and missing everything. So, just keep an eye on these macro levels. Right now, what I'm using is the 20 SMA. That's going to be pretty much my baseline, my guide. If we're trading underneath the 20, I'm definitely not going to be looking to long stocks. If we are trading over the 20, I am not looking to short stocks. So with that all taken into account, you can see we've pretty much just been in a very, very choppy environment. Big sell off here down to lows of around 3,000 one time, and then we pushed all the way up to 3,200, and now we're back down here again and actually tested that 2969 area today. So what I would be looking for here is, if the market wants to have a little bit of a relief rally, a little bit of a bounce, right? I know after Joe Biden had his press conference today, that the market, found some things that he said a little bit reassuring, and we were able to push off of those days lows. Now, why those days lows are so significant, because that's taking us back to that NASDAQ triple Qs sell-off that we had at the end of January. Those are the absolute lows that we touched, and we wicked off that level and immediately had a 3 or 4 day massive rally dead cat bounce. Now, could we be looking at the same thing? Technically, today we came down, we tagged that area, could be looking at a short-term double bottom. Not saying that stocks are not going to go lower, but maybe we do get 2 or 3 days worth of breather, meaning that maybe stocks can push up into the levels of supply and give us some areas of opportunity to kind of bounce some stocks for some potential day trades. So what I would be looking for here on Amazon is, I want to get a close over this 20 SMA. As soon as I can get a close over the 20 SMA on the hourly time frame, I would like to see the preceding hourly candle confirm that move to the upside. For me personally, I would like to clear out this indecision candle. That level is going to be 30.37. If we can get a close over 30.37, I would be interested in going long on a potential dead cat bounce on Amazon, with an area of interest to take profits right around this 30.60, and then this next high wick here at around 30.86. Just know that this granddaddy of them all, this orange line here, is the 200-day moving average. So you're going to want to keep that level at the top of your mind, just due to the fact that 31.13 is going to act as a very significant level of resistance. So if we do get some sort of 1, 2, 3 day dead cat bounce, I can see the stocks doing something like this. Before further coming back down to the downside. So right now we are coming off those lower levels, but this is what the chart could look like if we do get some sort of 1, 2, 3 day rally this week. If we do not, and we do get rejected, let's say tomorrow we do break over the 20 SMA, however, we cannot hold this level and we start to consolidate, and maybe there's some bad news that comes out from Russia or Ukraine, and we do lose this level the second time, If we come back down here to 29.69 and we get that washout, we get that confirmation, this area here could potentially be your area of opportunity to take a short position. 29.69 is going to give you room down to 28.82. Those would be the levels that I'm looking for. Other than that, everything else is pretty much just noise. So all of this price action in here is just a lot of choppiness, a lot of consolidation, a lot of indecision. I don't want to take anything long until we break over, or I don't want to take anything short until we break under. There's no sense in chopping yourself up if the market hasn't chosen a direction yet. But I feel that we could get a potential relief bounce going into tomorrow. Whether that bounce holds or they sell us off come the end of the day, what I'm looking for is these levels to get confirmed sometime within the first 1 to 2 hours of the market open. If we can't confirm this within the 1 to 2 hours of the market open, then I would be looking back down to the downside for some weakness. Guys, I hope this video helps you. If you kind of like the way that I do this, where I'm kind of giving you these levels and areas where you can take participation in trade, but you want them more live, you want them intraday, you want them to as they're happening, so you don't miss a potential trade, join my chat room, join that Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Come trade with myself and the team. We are trading 5 days a week. Definitely want to check us out at in that description box. You can join that Discord. Also, if you guys are looking for a trading strategy, maybe you're a little bit newer to trading, or maybe you've been trading for a while and your strategy is just not working, and you want to know the ins and outs on how I use supply and demand, as well as institutional moving averages on how to trade, definitely visit my website, evolutiontraders.com, and become a lifetime member, where you can get access to my 2 video courses that I have, as well as you get access to that Discord intraday. Definitely worth it. It's no monthly reoccurring fee. You pay one time. It is what it is. Once you're a member for life. So, as long as we are all here on God's green earth, breathing, we will be trading. With that taken into consideration, definitely subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up on the video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about Amazon. Let me know what you guys think about the market. Where do you guys think we're going? Do you guys think we're going higher or lower? I would love to hear about it. Please leave me that comment down in the description box below, and I will see you guys all on the next video.